Sam Williams, owner of Ultimate Derby. We put on the Blizzard Bash here at Topeka, Kansas. This is our 6th year putting on this show. And we got 326 cars coming from 27 different states and 4 provinces in Canada. On the big national side, where we pay the most prize money, of the $95,000 in prize money, we'll pay $50,000 out to our national teams. They compete 4-on-4 through a bracket. They'll have to run 4 times over the weekend and win 4 times in order to win the $20,000. A few concussions over the weekend, a few broken bones, stuff like that. We try to build everything as safe as we can, but inherently they're hitting each other at 50 miles an hour, and the cars don't give much. It's going to be an amazing event. It's going to be our best event ever. It will be action-packed, 3 to 4 hours every night. But these guys come from all over the country, and you think they hate each other's guts. They'll get out and shake hands, and it's a crazy event.